Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how you can make an outer skirt for the Cinderella gown. But in this video I will only show you how you can make a Cinderella ball gown outer skirt. So if you want to know the rest of the procedure to make this ball gown, then I have provided two links in the description box and I button. After watching this video you can check out those videos also. And guys, I made this Cinderella gown in a different way so that I can wear this in 21 different styles and look. So please watch the full video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Styles. So let's get started. So for this project, you need a saree or any fabric you have at home or you want to make the gown with. Then you need a lining for it. So that's all we need. So firstly I will show you how to make this part for the gown. So from length it's 22 inches and from width it's 13.5 inches. After that we will make a curved shape like this. And after that we will cut it out. Now we will cut it from center as shown. Then we will make ruffles out of it. And also we have to do picot on this curved shape of this D shape. So this is the leftover fabric after cutting bodice and this flary part. So now we have to simply mark the length of the main flary part. So here I am marking on 36 inches and now we will mark it straightly like this. After that we will cut it, and the length I marked is with seam allowance. And after that we will take a needle and thread and then we will make ruffles as shown. Like this we have to make ruffles on the lining fabric also. So after that it will look like this. So we will just place the lining fabric inside the main fabric as shown like this, and then our flary D shape from the center like this, and then we will sew it all together. After that we will sew our bodice part also with the gown. Now I will tell you how you can make this into a gown. You can wear it in 21 styles. So on the D shape we have to sew it like this, folding like this, so that we can insert a elastic in it. After inserting elastic it will look like this, you can see. And after that we will make this main flary part into a skirt by cutting a belt and sewing it together. So I also took a clip of attaching belt to the skirt, so you can see how we can sew the belt together with the skirt. So after that we will insert elastic in the belt also as shown, and then we will sew the elastic and will sew the flary part also straightly downwards. So guys, this is the final look of this gown. As you can see, it looks really beautiful, and I think wearing this gown I look like a real Cinderella. Just kidding. So here's the final look of this gown. And friends, you have watched the video till now. This means you have loved the video. So do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Anshika Fashion Lifestyle. So take care and bye bye. See you in next video. Bye.